Hi, I'm Jules. I'm a single mom from Corona del Mar, California, of 3 teenagers. I'm a fitness author of 3 books. I'm a fitness enthusiast. I'm a master's student, and I drive kids around all day. So it's important for me to achieve a calm, balanced, but energized state of mind when I transition from activity to activity. I rely heavily on iBalance spray in the morning to achieve a clear state of mind. When the kids come home from school, I spray them with iBalance spray and they settle down. They can do their homework, they can eat their snack. When I do workouts, it helps me achieve my peak performance level, enhances my recovery time, and helps me feel centered and energized. But at the same time, at night, I can use it on myself and the kids and have a calm, relaxing sleep. My kids call it good night dream spray. So no matter what time of day, it helps us achieve a balanced, harmonious feeling in any situation. So I am just so grateful that I found iBalance spray. It's helped make my life easier and much more enjoyable. Thank you.